Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keona, and if you didn't already know that, I'm going to show you how to go from this to the whatever picture I have in the thumbnail. And so I'm going to be doing a monochromatic, peachy kind of makeup look that I've seen like floating on the internet a lot. So without further ado, let's just get started with this video. So I've just applied some chapstick and some moisturizer, and I've already done my brows. So first, I'm taking a dark concealer and I'm mixing it with a foundation to like get my shade. I know that's odd, both are Maybelline, so I think that works. Probably not, but I'm taking this brush, which is the BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm out of focus. So I'm just gonna take a mirror and I'm gonna blend the foundation using that. And I'm using some of it on my eyes too, because I'm not gonna apply concealer. I don't know why, but makeup doesn't sit well on my forehead. Like it looks really disgusting. But yeah, that's the tea, sis. So I know I've not filmed in a long time, but I've been busy and I had filmed 2 videos, but I didn't like how they turned out, so I didn't upload it. So now I'm gonna take some powder, and I don't want to take much, just a little. We want us to look dewy, and we're gonna set the face. Now also I've put like done my eyebrows, but they're gone suddenly, so I'm just gonna put some brow gel so to remove like the foundation that's gone into it. So now I'm gonna do my eyes. I was like, where's the eyeshadow palette? It was right in my hand. Amazing, there's a mirror. So firstly I'm gonna take a light shade and put that all on my eyes. Then I'm gonna take a orange eyeshadow. I've used this a million times in my videos. It's a NYX Singles in the shade LOL. And I'm gonna just put that in my crease as my transition shade. The other day it was said it wasn't going to rain, so I wore my sneakers, but it did rain and my sneakers came wet, and that's the grossest feeling ever. So hate that. So I'm gonna take a blush. This is the Color Bar blush in the shade called Bliss, and I'm taking my finger and I'm just going back and forth, and I'm going to apply it all on my lid. Brush and blend the edges. I look so sloppy while doing this. Ugh. Life. So I'm gonna mix both the orange and the peach, and I'm gonna put it my lower lash line. Then I'm taking this shade. It's such a pretty shade. Okay, wait, let me swatch that. Okay, I didn't mean to flip you off. Accident. But look at that. That's so pretty. And I'm gonna put that on my inner teardrop and whatever is left on my brow bone. So now it's my least favorite part, but it makes the maximum difference, and that's eyeliner. love that. Yeah, I'm gonna do it off camera because I hate doing eyeliner on camera because I can't do it. So I'm not a beauty guru, you guys. I'm not. I'm just trying to do something different. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm so sorry I don't do it on camera, but I'm gonna be right back. Okay. So my eyeliner is done finally, and it took me 15 minutes to do it, but it's not even so that sucks. But what we're gonna do now is put mascara, and I'm using the Big Shot by Maybelline, and I'm gonna put it on my lashes, and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line because I don't like how that looks on me personally. So if you want to do that, you can do it. That was a pain. So now I'm gonna, this is my favorite part. So now I'm gonna take the blush, which is the same blush we used before, and you wanna whirl it in. Don't feel shy, okay? Wow. And I'm gonna take some bronzer. Like a little bit of bronzer, like a little bit, a little. And we're gonna just elbow so slightly, just chisel out the skin. I think it looks fine now, like better. So now I'm taking this brush and I'm gonna wet it because we love to wet brushes. 2 spritz, and we're gonna take the Kiko highlighter. This is the limited edition highlighter, so I'm so sorry about that, but yeah, this is what we're using out here. Okay, are you ready? So I'm gonna take this lipstick, NYX cream lipstick in the shade Antwerp, and apply that on my lips. I'll take a clean finger and I'm gonna take this blush again, and I'm gonna take this small brush and I'm gonna pat it on the lipstick. And I'm just gonna put it under my lash line because it isn't prominent enough. And we're almost done. Just using some setting spray. Set her 1, 2, 3. Wow, our sister is completely done. I drew this green cat. I'm such an artist. This is how it's turned out. I think it's pretty nice. Something easy you can do. Minus the liner because that was difficult. I know why I'm doing this one, but I like how it turned out. But yeah, I hope you like this look. Bye.